The differences in the distance of backgrounds in photos. When photographing with a flash, you can achieve a very soft light by pressing the main light near the subject. In this video, we will explore the changes the brightness of the background depending on the flash and subject placement and distances to the background. First, let's look at when the subject is set near the background. The flash is aimed diagonally from the side and is at 50 cm distance. The subject is at a distance of 10 cm from the background. Let's take a photo. The background is bright, and since the subject is near the background, you can see the shadow of the subject. This creates a cool image. Next, we will put more distance between the subject and the background. The subject is about 2 meters from the background. The flash will be placed the same as before, diagonally at the 50 cm distance. Let's take a photo. The background became darker and gray. As you can see, the distance between the flash and the background relative to the distance between the person and the flash will make the background darker. This time, we'll place the subject even further from the background at 4 meters. The flash will be placed in the same position as before, diagonally from the side and at 50 centimeters away. Okay, let's take a photo. The background has become even darker, a dark gray near to black. Because the distance between the flash and the person is 50 centimeters and the distance between the flash and the background is 4 meters, the light from the flash does not reach the background, so it is dark. This room has white walls, so when taking a photo in a black room, the light will not reflect off the walls and the background will be even darker. Also, if you place the flash even further away from the subject, the light from the flash will be better able to reach the background, so it will not become this dark. The brightness will also change depending on the size of the flash, so please try out various things.